Welcome back. Waterhouse rallied from a goal down to beat title holders Cavalier, while Harbour took a big step towards avoiding relegation after beating Arnett Gardens in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. Christopher Scott reports.
After stepping down to make way at Waterhouse for coach Javier Einstein, Marcel Gill made his return to the club as part of the Cavaliers coaching staff, and he got a first-hand view of the upward climb they've made since his departure. At one point, it looked a happy return when Cavalier took a 40-second lead through James Gallimore. However, Colorado Murray had Waterhouse on level terms 6 minutes into the second half, and Murray completed the comeback to send Waterhouse up the table to fourth with an 83rd minute winner.
I think it's the best night for me in a Waterhouse shirt. You know, we play against Cavaliers, and everybody know the rivalry against Cavaliers, and Cavaliers is a defending champion. So to come back from a 1-0 scoreline in the first half, come back in the second half and score 2 goals, come out feeling, very good.
I just think there was a lapse in concentration for the first goal that they scored, and a very unfortunate hands in the second half here. So it's just one of those games. I think Waterhouse played well, but it was a very tactical game. But at the end of the day, Waterhouse got the better of us.
Trayvon Reed can officially now be crowned Mr. Harbourview. This as the former Kingston College standout continued to lead the survival charge for the Stars of the East. Of the 39 goals scored by Harbourview, Reed is responsible for 18, including the one that gave them 3 points against Arnett Gardens in their 1-0 win at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. The win saw Harbourview moving out of the relegation zone to 11th on 27 points.
This is one of those games, desperation. I think we scored early. We were playing excellent in the first half. We get a lot of inroads and could have scored more than 1 goal. But I think the desperation in the second half, and we want to finish the game before the time up. So
we know what we had to do in terms of this round, and a win is the only thing on the card for us. Tonight we started a little flat. I think Harbourview defended well also. But I don't think it was a bad game from us. We didn't convert our chances and we created a number of them.
Coach, yeah. Second place Racing United are piling up numbers in the draw column as they have now recorded their 13th such result after a 0-0 result with Tivoli Gardens at the Ferdinand Park.
I don't think the energy was here today. I think we're a little bit flat, but different from that to get some good look in, but just unfortunate, they're afraid to kick the ball. So that doesn't make a letdown today.
I think they got a clear scoring opportunity that, one of my players, prevented from going across the goal line. But overall, I think it was a spirited performance.
Other results on the day saw leaders Montego Bay United suffering a 3-1 defeat away to Chapelton Maroons, and Dunby Holding edged Malines United, who now are in the drop zone, 1-0 at Dunby Holding. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
In the meantime, Spanish Town Police at the bottom of the 14-team table and Treasure Beach, looking to stave off relegation, played out a 0-0 draw in the first game of a doubleheader in JPL action earlier on Monday. That match was played at Draxall, and in the late game, hosts Mount Pleasant and Portmore United are currently locked at 0-0.